In this video, we will see how to turn PLR content into YouTube videos and also how to turn PLR articles into videos. What's up, web workers? Amar here, and in this video will be another way to make money on YouTube using PLR products. You can create videos using PLR content. In fact, you could make a whole video series using with PLR products. So when converting PLR articles into YouTube videos, we must not just go ahead and read it word for word, but we have to have a script or a strong outline of what we want to say. Think of what you'd do if you decided to use PLR article in your blog post. You would edit the PLR content enough to make it your own. That is what you need to do when you want to convert PLR articles into videos as well. So the first thing that we always need to do, which is a good idea, is to rewrite the PLR article, changing a little bit the paragraphs as well as adding some of your own content to make it more original. Now, in order to record the video, we have two options here. The first one is to show your face on the video, and you can speak and explain each and every point that is included in that PLR article. And the second choice is, if you don't want to be on camera, you can use PowerPoint presentations or create presentation on Canva, where there are multiple slides and you bring a vocal explanation every time you show a slide. So the example for this video is this article here, or a cheat sheet about 17 blog post formulas. So I thought that it will be a nice idea if I do 17 slides where I explain and give a little bit more details about every slide or every formula to write a blog post. So even if you have another type of PLR articles, you can structure it like this in multiple points, and you put each point on an individual slide, and you prepare some explanations for that specific slide. So what you can do if you have PowerPoint is to find a nice template for a PowerPoint presentation like this one I'm showing you here. So this is a template that I use usually to create my videos. So it's a very nice template actually, and I will, leave me a comment in the comment section if you want to use this same template. But there are lots of resources on the internet that provide you with free PowerPoint templates. Actually, I went to Google and typed free PowerPoint templates and designs, and I found this website here called freepowerpointtemplatesdesign.com, and it offers you a variety of templates that you can download for free and use for your videos. Another great idea is to mix or to put into your slides pictures relevant to the subject, and I have found another website that provides you with free images. So this website is free to use, free download images, and you can use them for free, royalty free. So the website is called unsplash.com. So all you have to do is type what kind of pictures you want. I want, for example, pictures and images about computers. So I just type computers, and then it will bring lots of images about computers which I can use. So if I click on this picture here, it says here download for free. So here is an example of a slide. This slide was at the beginning of this particular video, so I just put a picture here, which is the thumbnail of this video, and I put a big title here, and then I explain a little bit what I'm doing here. And then if you have more slides, you just add here, right click, and then add a new slide, and then you put your objects here. So this is the PowerPoint template that I was showing you before, but this is the complete template. I mean, if you have a long video to do and you want to diversify the layouts, you can use this template here, and leave me a comment in the comment section if you're interested of having this particular template. Here is another way to go about the presentation. It is you go to the canva.com website, canva.com, and then you can type here on the search bar presentation, or you can just find it here on the menu. So you click on that and Canva will bring you multiple presentations templates that you can choose from. And then you can choose at the left hand side which template you like. Let's say for example this one here. So if I click on it, you have multiple layouts on this template that you can use for your video. So at this point here, all you have to do is copy and paste your content from your article to this presentation, and once you're done formatting it, you can just go ahead and download it. Now, once you have your presentation ready on PowerPoint or on Canva, you need now to record your screen. And once you're ready to record your screen, all you have to do is open your PowerPoint presentation, click on this button here at the bottom right hand side, and then you will see the presentation live. And then all you have to do is explain what you are showing on the different slides while the slides are passing, like the way I'm doing right now. So if you want to stop, you can just go ahead and stop the recording. And by the way, the application I'm using to record my screen is called FreeCam8. So all you have to do is write FreeCam8 on Google, and then the first link will give you this website here, freescreenrecording.com. You'll be brought to this page here where you can insert your email address and download it and use it for free. Now the other option, the last option here, is if you do not want to put a lot of work on it, you can use this professional software that will deliver a great video voiceover only when you submit your article ready. So you'll be able to make professional videos with this website here called Vidnami. I will leave a link in the description if you want to try it for free for 14 days. It will be a very good idea to use this software here. Thank you very much, guys, for making it so far. And if you liked the video, I hope you liked the video, please support the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and or dropping a comment in the comment section. And I will see you on the next video.